Hey everyone, Joshua. I'm here, Professor J, with the SGC P120 light here. This is the newest version of it. This is the cool kit, nice little portable case. It comes with a mount. It comes with a charger for your battery, and it comes with a battery. And what's new about this is the end caps are black now. They're not just colored, they're built differently. It's got a stronger build, a lot nicer in my opinion. I'm really liking the feel of it. It's the first time I've touched them. They feel way safer to me. Because before I wanted to put maybe a booty on it. You just line it up, you go line to line here to lock it. Oh dude, that feels way nicer than the blue ones to me. So personally, if you have a choice between the black and the blue, go for the black. This is the new black end cap one. So yeah, all around, it's got just a nicer texture, like it's like a rubbery texture on the outside. I guess it's like some kind of latex cover. Even the logo looks nicer in this version. So it's still got the same strong build in the body. Yeah, but if you don't know what this is in general, this is the Quasar Aperture Collaboration Light, the SGC tube. It is available worldwide. It was mainly made for China, but people need, battery powered tubes. And there's a lot of competition out there, but this one stands out. SSI of 75 on white light, which is really high quality white light, arguably market leader. Something to think about with that. RGB colors, really freaking bright. Super impressed with this. And the other new thing is this is an improved circuit board, so now it links to Sidus better than ever. So yeah, it is Sidus Link capable, compatible. Just going to show you this here. If you get one, you can look through this, how to use this. So maybe how to use this new piece. So not everyone has, My Way plate or a Quasar, so you can see that you take this off when you get out of the box. You screw in the middle here. It's got all these holes. You've got these two holes here, so you put it in. If you want to mount it this way, you want to mount it that way. You decide how you want it to look. You screw it in. Boom. So now it's nice and tight in there. You unscrew these a bit so you can put it on a C-stand, or in this case, photo stand. I think the point of this is to be more photo stand friendly for your quick interview setups. And then I like to do this with my Quasar, see if it works the same way. Or I put it in sideways, or you just go straight on with it. Oh yeah, you just go straight on with this one. All right, so there you go. That's my setup. If you want to get like a 45-degree angle, you can just tilt it a little bit. That's probably how I use it. This isn't the best stand I'm using right now. This is not from the kit. This is just my own stand I've left in my studio, and boy, it's broken. Yeah, let me cut my fingers on it actually. Cool. So I can go a little higher with it. If I'm sitting down in an interview, it's probably about the right height. No, I'm actually bleeding. Isn't that awesome? All right, so there you go. That's how you can use the light. Maybe I can point it this way. Sweet. Cool. That's all I have to say for now. Besides, I'm gonna go clean up my blood.